guys! Welcome back to my channel. It is that time of year again when it is officially the last acceptable season to wear shorts. Although I may still be wearing shorts this fall, I did not include any shorts in this video. I worked very hard not to do so, but I did include a lot of skirts, which I didn't wear tights underneath, but you certainly can, so don't judge me. These are still fall outfits. So to hop right into this video, I'm starting out with more of a spring type base with this really cute dress that I made a few years back, and I kind of wanted to start this outfit video with taking more of your spring and summer clothes and making them more into fall clothes. So I decided to put on this really cute cropped cardigan sweater thing, and I paired it with these cute little blue lacy type shoes that are a little bit too small for me, but I don't care because they're super cute. And then I also put on this blue hair scarf that kind of matched the shoes. And this is the first outfit. I really like this sweater over the dress, and I think it's a really cute silhouette. And then I really like pairing the shoes and the hair scarf together because they match super well, and I think it kind of adds in those more, fall toned down vibes. And this one is still pretty bright, and I know the dress could be seen as a little bit summery, but I still think this is fall appropriate, and I will be wearing this fall, definitely. So next I decided to kind of wear the dress a different way, and I switched out the heels for these sneakers, and instead of the cropped cardigan, I threw on this bomber jacket that I made a few years back. And I really enjoy how you can take one dress and mess with the accessories a little bit, and it totally changes like the tone of the whole outfit. So that one was a little bit more, like on the cottagecore side. This is a little bit more on the streetwear side. I know I'm very far from either of those sides, but roll with me here. I think the silhouette is pretty fun, although it does kind of take me back to like middle school, and I would just wear dresses with oversized jackets every day to school, but I still think it's a really fun look. Alright, on to the next outfit. This one is definitely very fall themed, especially with all of those orange and yellow colors. So for this one, the idea was kind of a more monochromatic outfit. So I started off with this yellow cropped cardigan that I upcycled in another video. You can check it out if you want to. And I put on this overall style dress on top of it, and then I threw on these really cute boots and this bandana I thrifted a few years back. And this outfit gives me very like pumpkin patch vibes, which I was very excited about. This honestly might be one of my favorite outfits. I just thought it was really cute. I also really like this overall dress because it has these tortoiseshell kind of buckles on it, which I think is a really cool element, and that kind of ties back in with the boots. And then to kind of match those other brown elements, I also just threw on my cute little handy watch, and I honestly just need somebody to take me out in a pumpkin patch to take cute photos in this outfit. So I think I look very cute in it. On to the next outfit. This is one I actually wear a lot in the fall season. So the way I like to wear this shirt is it has this cute little knitted collar. So I like to take two of my favorite pins to have kind of similar colors in them, and I like to put one on either side of the collar to add a little bit more interest into the outfit. And then I threw on those same white sneakers that I wore earlier, and that is the whole outfit. I really like this outfit because it is still pastels, which I love, but I think it does count as a fall outfit, even though my style definitely kind of mixes in with more of those spring vibes. It's a little bit more on the basic side, but I really like the way that the pins kind of snazz up the outfit a little bit and make it a little more interesting. And then I also decided to tuck this sweater into my jeans, and these are my favorite jeans of all time because the waistband is actually adjustable, so you can just undo it and then put it on whichever button you want, so it kind of gives it those mom jean vibes. And here is me running out of poses to model in this outfit and just kind of going ham, but that is the whole outfit. So for the next outfit, I started off with this kind of base with this shirt that has this really cute little bow collar on it, and I tucked that into this pleated skirt that I made a few months back. There's also a video on it if you would want to make it yourself. And then I took this sweater that I thrifted a few years back and layered it over that first shirt and pulled out the little bows that it has this cute little collar on it. And then I wore the same sneakers from the last outfit because you can never go wrong with white sneakers. This outfit I thought was really fun with the cute little bow in the front, and it's a little bit more interesting than wearing just a plain old sweater. And I think the bow also makes it more of a fall outfit because the colors are so pastel and bright. I thought this was a good way to kind of tone it back and add in some of those more fall and winter vibes. This next one is of course one of my favorites because it has my overalls in it. I love my corduroy overalls so much, and I decided to go with this kind of blue and red theme. So I added on this blue bandana, and honestly I styled it this way because this bandana always slips off of my head, which is really annoying, but I found this really cute way of holding it up by just putting two little brake clips on the sides of it to hold it in place. So I just used my little red one so it would match the red of the shirt. And then I paired it with my black Converse knockoffs, and that is the completed outfit. This look is one I've been wearing quite a bit already, because as someone who hates wearing long pants, I would much rather just gallivant in my overalls all day for months on end. And I really like the color coordination between the shirt and the hair accessories, and then the black sneakers are just a good way to tie it all together. And another way I kind of took the same outfit and dressed it up a little bit different by changing out accessories is I took off the bandana and the hair clips, and I also switched out my shoes again for my white sneakers, which are a reoccurring item in this video. I'm sorry, but they're just my good basic shoes to go to. And then I layered on top my favorite colorful windbreaker to kind of add a pop of color to this outfit. And I paired it on top of this kind of more muted base so that the jacket would really pop and it wouldn't be too distracting. And there's me struggling to put my hands in my pockets because I'm incapable. And also covered up the red accent on the sleeves, which I liked because it just kind of made it more of a striped patterned shirt. Whenever I wear this windbreaker, I feel very fun and excited. The only thing I don't like about it is it's very noisy, so you can always hear me like walking down the hall if I'm coming towards you. But other than that, it is very fun to wear. And I always feel a little bit funky wearing jackets over overalls, but I really liked how this one looked all together. Okay, so this outfit I actually threw together the day I was recording this. This was kind of a last minute one, but it ended up being one of my favorite outfits in this video. I paired this overly chunky sweater that I knitted last year with this orange mini skirt that I made, and there's also a video on this one if you would want to make it for yourself again. And I kept on the same white sneakers as before, and I styled this sweater by kind of tucking it up a little bit so you would see my waist just a tiny bit, and then the waistband of the skirt. And I really like the silhouette this created because of the chunkiness of the sweater and then just the very sleekness of the skirt. And I really love this whole outfit. I didn't think I would like it so much, but I'm really gonna have to start wearing this outfit this fall because I feel really cute in it. I thought it looked so cool. Alright, so on to the next outfit. So for this one, I took this white button-up shirt that I stole from my brother's closet, which is why it's so oversized on me, and I folded up the cuff of the sleeve so that I could actually use my hands, and then I tucked it into my skirt as the starting base. From there, I took this blue, more structured top that I have. It's kind of more like a vest type thing, and I styled it over the button-up shirt, which is something I haven't done before, but again, it was something I was pleasantly surprised with. I thought this looked really cute. And then from there, I paired it with these tan suede heels to complete the outfit. And this outfit is not something that I typically wear. It's a lot more structured than I usually wear, and the button-up made it look a little bit more formal, but it was something I felt really cool in and want to keep wearing because I thought the silhouette was just so unique, and I actually really liked the oversizedness of the shirt because it kind of adds that poofiness to the sleeves, and I left it a little bit unbuttoned so it would look a little bit more messy, and I honestly just felt really cool in this. Like a cool like swanky teenager from like the 90s or something when they used to like layer all those sweaters on top of vests and stuff. I don't know. It was a cool vibe. And to snazz it up even more, I decided to throw on this blazer that I have never ever worn in my life, but I thrifted it like a year or two ago because I thought it was cool. And I was not sure if this was going to make it too much for me, but I felt like kind of a badass businesswoman in this outfit. And this outfit is obviously like a lot more structured than I usually wear, but I still felt really cute in it. And again, this is just really not something that I typically wear and put together myself. But I don't know, I tried it out and I'm actually really happy with it. I thought it was really cool and just something really unique and very different than what I usually do. For the next outfit, I kept on that same oversized shirt and I tucked them into these gingham pants that I made. And then I took this fuzzy sweater and I put it on top of the button-up shirt. And to add a little bit more color to this, and to make this outfit a little bit more interesting, I took these collar pins that I bought from a local artist, and I added one to either side of the collar, so I thought the orange went well with these pants. And I'm obsessed with these little pins. I don't wear them enough, but they're like these cute little orange slices. They're just so cute. And then for shoes, I threw on the same boots that I wore in one of the earlier outfits, and that was the whole look. This was again not something I typically wear, but I thought it was really cute, and I like how neutral and kind of muted it is. But if you look closely at it, the pants are still pretty bright and they're very orange and gingham and cute. I really like these pants a lot. I also thought it was kind of fun how many different textures I had going on in this outfit because the pants are almost like this flannel type material. And then obviously I have the shagginess of the sweater because it's this really fluffy knit type of material. And then obviously you have the structuredness of the cotton collar. And this was also one of those more monochromatic outfits that I've been kind of seeing as a trend, and I've been meaning to try them out because I think they always look really cool, so I thought this was a kind of cool way to try it out for the first time. Alright, so this is the final outfit, and for this one I decided to do some pretty classic items from my closet, which is this white knit turtleneck, which I wear all the time in the winter because it's super warm considering how thin it is, and my pink flare pants. Again, I put on my same white sneakers as before, and I really like the silhouette of this outfit. I feel very like cool 70s in it, and these pants are just the coolest pop of color in my opinion. And I really like this outfit the way it is, but to snazz it up a little bit more, I also put on this bomber jacket that I thrifted. And honestly, this is one of my all-time favorite thrift finds. I think this jacket is super cool, and I got it in pretty good condition too, so I'm very happy with it. I was worried this outfit might be a little bit too pink, but I'm always down for pretty bright colors, and I thought that the texture and shininess of the jacket kind of pulled away from just that flat pink color and kind of tied it all together and made it work. I really like this outfit because I feel like it's just like a good base fall or winter outfit, and it's honestly these pants that got me through last winter because I don't love winter or fall fashion. I would much rather be wearing summer clothes, but these pants just had that awesome pop of color that really just got me through those cold winter months. Alright, so those are all of the outfits I have for you guys today. I hope you liked this video and found some cool outfit inspiration. I post new videos every Friday if you guys would want to subscribe and check out more of my content. So stay safe, have a good fall, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!